Assalamualaikum. Let's know some important days in June. 1st June, Global Day of Parents. 2nd June, Italy Republic Day. 3rd June, National Donor Day, first Friday of June. 3rd June, World Bicycle Day. 4th June, International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggressions. 5th June, World Environmental Day. 7th June, World Food Safety Day. 8th June, World Brain Tumor Day. 8th June, World Oceans Day. 8th June, National Best Friend Day. 8th June, Corpus Christi, the Christians' holy day. 10th June, Dole Day, second Saturday of June. 12th June, World Day Against Child Labor. 12th June, National Red Rose Day. 14th June, World Blood Donor Day. 15th June, World Wind Day. 15th June, World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. 17th June, World Day of Combat Desertification and Drought. 18th June, International Picnic Day. 18th June, World Father's Day, third Sunday of June. 20th June, World Refugees Day International. 21st June, World Music Day. 21st June, World Hydrography Day. 21st June, International Yoga Day. 21st June, Summer Solstice, longest day of summer. 22nd June, World Rainforest Day. 23rd June, International Olympic Day. 23rd June, United Nations Public Service Day. 23rd June, International Widows Day. 26th June, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. 27th June, Helen Keller's Day, symbol of courage. 29th June, International Day of the Tropics. 30th June, World Asteroids Day.